Let's take a look at some arrow points. All of these right here and this little funky guy are what we're going to be testing today, but not necessarily if the stone point breaks, if the hafting breaks. I'm really focusing more on the wound cavity. Let's shoot this little funky one. Oh wow, that went through. Oh man, look at this. I mean, I caught the edge. That's what it looks like. Well, look at that, right? But if you look at this, that's that whole cut area. It just sliced right through. That is gnarly. That guy right there. I mean, that's a big cut one. Nice. Oh, lost him on the inside. Oh well.